Hi everyone, this video is going to do a quick demonstration about how to use the Student Support Center at Charisma University. Okay, so at this point, hopefully you already have your Charisma University email address, and you are also given your Charisma University Student Support Center login information. Okay, so if you have not already, you do need to contact someone about that, so that you can get your login information, and then you can use the Student Support Center. Okay. Reasons to use the Student Support Center might be, administrative issues, technical issues, anything along those lines, or even if you just feel like you need help with your time management. There are people there who can help you or direct you to the right resources that will help you become more successful in your time at Charisma University. Okay, so first of all, step one is you want to get to the Charisma University website at charisma.edu.edu. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click on the Support Center at the top right-hand corner of the menu. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and log into our account. So hopefully you already have your account information. I'm going to put in mine. It thinks I want to get into the admin page, but when you actually sign in, you should get this page right here. Okay, where it says, how can Charisma University help? And then down here, you're going to see a form that you're going to fill out to create a ticket. Now, this is where you go ahead and discuss your issue, whatever problem you're having. You go ahead and put in your ticket subject here. What level of priority is it? Is it like urgent, like an emergency situation? Or, is it high, medium, low? It depends on your level of priority, where you are right now. And then there are a wide variety of different ticket categories that you might be having issues with, and so you can go in and choose what best fits your situation. And then in this box, you go ahead and explain your problem. Okay, and then when you're done, or if you need to actually attach any kind of files, maybe you need a screenshot for a technical issue you're doing or you're getting, or anything like that, you can go ahead and do that here. And then when you're done, say create ticket. And then what happens is that will go straight to the Student Support Center, and then the people on the other end, myself and the team, will go ahead and look at your issue, and we'll try to see who is best equipped to help you with your situation. Now, sometimes you might not even need to create a ticket, because what if one of your questions may be answered in the recent frequently asked questions section right here. So you can also check this section right here just to make sure it's not already here, because if it is, that's just so much easier. So anyway, I hope this helps.